Welcome to another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. Here we are looking at Bitcoin versus US dollar on the TradingView Binance Exchange chart. And we're looking at that instead of the index because the index is too messed up with lines. You can't even see the candles, especially on a zoomed out view like this. So, and I was going to make a video this morning, but I was just too damn tired. Don't really have enough time to make videos lately, but try to get them out when important stuff is going on. And this morning I was looking at the charts. I'm like, we are going to break out. Breakout is imminent here. And let me show you what I'm looking at. Well, you can see that we are practically just inches away from a new all-time high. But so I subscribe to Michael Pizzino's Elliott Wave theory. So go watch his channel if you're and he can better explain his own theory to you better than I can. But my interpretation of it is that this, since the beginning of our cycle, this bull market cycle here can be viewed in as a wave 1 here, a wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and currently we are in an extended wave 5. And all these waves can be broken into subwaves. So within this extended wave 5, and by the way, we're looking at a weekly time frame here. Within this extended wave 5, bear with me while we zoom in, which we started here in September of 2024. We have wave 1 and a wave 2, and we are currently in the wave 3 of that one. Now, wave 3 cannot be the shortest wave, so what is that saying? That means that it's got to be longer. It's either got to be longer than this one, or wave 5 is shorter than it. So wave 3 is starting here since April of 2025, or March, April. And within that wave, I'll switch to a daily time frame now. So remember, since April, we are currently in wave 3, and within that wave, going back to April here, we have wave 1, wave 2, and we're currently in wave 3 of wave 3 of the wave 5. So we've done 1 and 2, and wave 3 we are beginning here. Now, within that wave 3, we're getting really, really intricate here. Within that wave 3, the way I'm seeing it, and I haven't seen him go over this yet. So within our wave 3, we have done a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. Wait, where am I? I drew this out. Oh, okay, I see. You know what? We got to go to we have to get off of a daily. We have to go maybe to a 4-hour. Because the way I have it drawn here, I'm seeing this as a wave 1 and 2. Remember, we're really, really zoomed in here. So this, follow the green line that I drew out last night. Wave 1, wave 2, because there's that big wick downwards there. And then a wave 3 here. Here's our wave 4. and a wave 5. That completes the first wave. And then we've had our correction here, our A, B, C, D, and E correction there. Now, when I saw this last night, and I've been watching the price action lately, I'm like, this is as far down as this E is coming. I'm like, it's potentially coming down, you know, further, maybe something down to 105, something like that. But I'm like, you know what? Last night I was looking at it like this. It could, while it could do that, it could very well just blast off here. So I believe we're done with the wave 2 within these smaller waves, and we are beginning the wave 3. Now, where that takes us, I don't know. We'll have to make another video about it. But we are about to blast off into our wave 3. So get ready. And you know what? Maybe I'll switch to another chart right now. So here we are on the Bitcoin. Excuse me. I got a Pepe in my throat. We're on Bitcoin US dollar index on TradingView. And you can see why we didn't use this chart. But if we zoom in here, you can see where we're at. These dotted lines are the 4-hour Gaussian channel. They represent the 4-hour Gaussian channel. And if you can see the purple line here, this is the top of the daily Gaussian channel. This is another reason why a breakout was imminent. We've been consolidating within the top range of this 4-hour Gaussian channel for quite some time, since back here. And the reason that we were doing that was to get it to curve over sideways enough for us to have a breakout and bust a move upwards. Now, on this chart, the reason we're looking at this chart is because I want to show you the white channel, not these double white channels here. Oops, why is the whole thing moving around? Not these double white channels, but the most important channel in Bitcoin history, which I've gone over many, many times in the past. It's this white channel up here. And it's the channel from which all parabolic bull rallies have started after breaking this channel as resistance, either from the bottom side here or with a consolidation within this channel and then a bust out above. Now, the bottom of this channel currently sits at around $126,000, and the top of the channel is around $145,000. Now, those numbers should be significant, should sound familiar to you, because those are estimates that you're hearing a lot of people talking about. So I don't know where we're going to go, whether we just come up to 125 and consolidate a little bit, maybe have that wave 3, a little bit of consolidation here, wave 4, and then come up here with some sort of consolidation with between 125 and $145,000. I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see when we get there. And perhaps I will make a future video about that. But I do expect to either get resistance here at 125, but if we bust into this channel, I expect some sort of consolidation between 125 and 145. Something like that before continuing on. Now remember, this is currently a wave 3 of a wave 3 within an extended wave 5. So we still have wave 4 and 5 within our wave 3 to finish before entering into the wave 4 within the wave 5. And then we will get the final wave of 5 within 5. So we got a ways to go. I'm not sure if that will extend into 2026 or not, but I'm thinking that it does. I'm thinking that wave 3 we could see the wave 3 extend into the end of the year with our current wave 3, a wave 4 pullback, and a wave 5 into the end of the year. Then see a wave 4 pullback within the wave 5 heading into the first part of next year, and then a wave 5 coming out of it, something like that. And then, well, we're getting just way out there, so let's end it there and zoom in and see where we're at now. So we did have this big move upward, this big blast upwards, and you can see we're having some consolidation, and you can also see that consolidation is within this channel. It's the slant of that consolidation is within this channel. So whether we come up here and make a triangle or what, we'll just have to wait and see what we form, but I believe it'll be a continuation pattern, and after this we will so we are consolidating around the center line of this white channel here, which is significant. And exactly where we came up to is this red channel right here. You can see we clearly got rejected off that red channel. We're consolidating below it. So that red channel has significance, and you'll see it in a second, but I want to go up and see where the center line of that channel is. Center line of that channel, where is it? Are you serious? Oh, is it way up here? No, it's way up there at 145. Wow. Yeah. Look at that. So we're consolidating with, okay, so this red channel, look at this red channel, it goes all the way up to 180. So I believe we're probably going to get up to 180. Let's see if we go into November. Oh, we're on a 30-minute time frame. Well, quickly, let's switch to a 4-hour. You can see we're getting up around 220-ish heading into October. So somewhere around there, 220-ish, I think will be the top of the cycle. And so let's switch to a daily. Keep your eye on the red channel. That red channel is the channel we've been trading in this whole time. This whole bull rally. Since right here in October of 22. This is the red channel we've been trading in. Now we've broken below it a couple times right here and here with these pullbacks, and most recently here. But where have we come down to? And if you've watched previous videos, you can see that we have lines drawn that are parallel to that channel, and that would be this thin white line here and this pinkish flesh tone line here. So those have held as support. So currently we've spent a lot of time below that red channel. And here's the flesh tone line here. We even did break below that here in April of 25 with the tariff scare, whatever. And now we are so we did come back up within the red channel here, and we've fallen back out of it. And now, when did we fall back out of it, by the way? Oh, with the guess that was the war. And so since the war, we've been below it, and now we are about to bust back up into that red channel. And that is currently sitting at 111. Our previous all-time high is 112.3, and we are currently on this daily time frame at 111.360 is the top of that red channel, and it crosses into a new all-time high on Sunday. So I've been speculating. Maybe we consolidate here, because we need to build on the VRVP, the Visual Range Volume Profile. We need to build more structure within this range. I've been wondering why we've been staying below here, but we've been really filling in a lot of the we've been building a lot of structure within this range below 109 to 107 and filling in that area on the VRVP. Let's just turn it on. Well, this is getting to be a lot longer than I had anticipated. And we don't need to zoom out anymore, I don't think. Well, maybe we should squeeze that in like that. So you can see that we need to really build more between 110 and 112 in this area. But we've been spending a lot of time building in here, which is pretty well filled in. But who knows? Maybe we leave this for a bear market or something like that. Could be we come back down to 110, something like that. So even if we went up to 220 and had a 55% pullback. Well, if we went to 220, had a 50% pullback, it'll be right here. So that's very, very reasonable to expect. So maybe that's what we're doing. Anyway, so that's that. I just deleted it. Whatever. Hit the wrong button. So finally, let's see where we're sitting. Yeah, I wonder if we get one of those upwards accumulation things going on here. And then bust a move right here. Maybe, tomorrow. Quite possibly tomorrow. And then retesting this as support where this crosses. I guess Sunday was not accurate. Friday. We could come down and retest this as support on Friday. Looks very, very possible. What the hell? All right, so I'll leave it there, and don't like and don't subscribe, and see you next time.